everybody, it's Kelly, Man and Kelly Philippine Adventure, of course. We decided to go to one of the first places we ever went to together as a couple, and that was in where was that at? Mactan Island, and I can't, Bahia, I think it's called. It's a ocean swimming pool with fresh ocean water being circulated through. And so we went over there, drove about an hour to get there, and at the gate was an old man. The old man says, "So sorry, we closed the doors during the pandemic." So they were, but their website said they were open. So we're just literally right down the street at another beach. We've never been here before. I don't remember the name of it, but it's very, very popular. Check it out. There's a lot of people here on today, on a Saturday. We came here for this little table that you see me sitting at. It's a little yellow table, and it's got a little umbrella. It's 500 pesos for this guy right here. It's 1,500 pesos for one of these tents like this, like that, or the many of them that are over there. All those over there, 1,500 pesos each. Now it is a very cloudy day today. We thought it was going to rain. If it was going to rain, we were going to go ahead and take Liam and his cousin to SM Mall for Kizuna. So that's what we're going to do, but we didn't. It didn't rain, so here we are. We did get some chicken, which is not much left over that. About 8 pieces of fried chicken, a bucket of rice. Not much left over, but so left some pile of bones left, and you got a little bucket right there for that. The Coke. And 4 glasses and about 8 pieces of chicken. We spent roughly 700 pesos for the meal, because again, we thought we were going to Bahia, I think it's called, and they don't allow you to bring food in, but you can order from them, and that's what we were going to do. If we'd have known we were going to come here, we would have brought our own food, because Ann's chicken is so much better. Nice ride, nice boat ride. I think it's 4,500 pesos an hour to ride this right here. 4,500 pesos. That's ridiculous. I ain't spending 4,500 to ride a aired up boat. What you got, Bug?
Yes, Liam.
What, Liam? What'd you buy? What were you catching? What is that? Shells? Oh. Let me see, Bug. Right here, right down there, so don't get lost. Yeah, right there is a good place. Remember your toe. Yeah. I see that. Wow.
Ate, picture daw mo ni Mami Tins araw masuya ko sa imong mama. Sige, Daddy, picture, Daddy.
take two. Where we at?
Hudson Beach Park.
Hudson Beach Park. Now it's right down the street from, I think it's called Bahia.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, Bahia,
Bahia.
Beach Resort.
How much was it to get in this place?
This one,
Yeah.
we paid 375 for the 2 of us and 1 kid.
Yeah, okay. This is really busy out here.
Yeah, because it's Saturday and some party for the company like that.
So what do you think about this place? I mean, we've been here about what, 2 hours?
Yeah,
About 2 hours, and the sandy is not real sandy.
yeah.
There's a lot of rock here. I mean, this would
Rocky.
be okay if you were just coming as adults, I think. It seems like a more of an older party place than does
Yeah.
a younger place.
Yeah.
But anyway, so we're gonna wrap this up because we've been here 2 hours and we're gonna go home because it's getting ready to storm. So I'm
Yes.
Kelly.
Amen.
We'll see you next Philippine Adventure.
Bye-bye. Gani hara mo?